In the realm of interior design, the ability to plan in 3 dimensions is not just an advantage, it's a revolution. Imagine holding the power to visualize, adjust, and perfect a space before a single piece of furniture is moved or a wall painted. This is the magic of 3D planning. Welcome to the world where creativity meets technology. Today we delve into the fascinating process of creating a 3D plan for home interior design. Our journey begins with the first critical step, measuring the space. Whether it's a cozy living room or an expansive open-plan kitchen, every nook and cranny counts. It's important to get a precise measurement of the room, including the dimensions of windows, doors, and any fixed features. Remember, precision is key. Once the measurements are in place, the next step is drafting a floor plan. This involves translating the measurements into a scaled-down representation of the room. It might seem daunting, but with the plethora of user-friendly design software available today, this task is as simple as drag and drop. And now, it's time to bring the floor plan to life through 3D modeling. This is where the real magic happens. Using the floor plan as a foundation, you build up the room in 3 dimensions. Walls rise, windows form, and doors swing open in the virtual space. This is the stage where the room begins to take shape in a tangible, visual way. With the 3D model ready, the next step is to add furniture and decor. This process is akin to filling a blank canvas with color. You can experiment with different furniture layouts, play with color schemes, and even test out various lighting fixtures. The beauty of 3D planning is that it allows you to make mistakes, learn, and improve without any real-world consequences. Finally, it's time for a virtual walkthrough. This step offers a chance to see the space from different angles and perspectives. It's the moment to scrutinize every detail and make any necessary adjustments. To conclude, the key to mastering 3D planning for home interior design lies in these 5 steps: taking precise measurements, drafting a floor plan, creating a 3D model, adding furniture and decor, and conducting a virtual walkthrough. This process allows you to visualize the end result, experiment with different designs, and perfect your space without the hassle of physical trial and error. In the world of interior design, 3D planning is the bridge between imagination and reality. So, step into this world, wield this tool, and create spaces that are not only aesthetically pleasing, but also functional and personalized. Remember, in the realm of design, the only limit is the sky.